Towards the end of the monsoon, all this the barlaria start flowering. So this cristata is the most common and popular one, and I recommend for all the beginners. And also it is traditional. In some of the most remote village gardens, not much impacted by modernity and cash economy, where they do most of the things without cash. So such people, their gardens don't have this fancy nurseries stuff. And traditionally everything has to be useful for such a situation. Those gardens, this is there because the ladies like to make garlands. The previous day itself you can make garlands. It's a meditative activity, making garlands with your hand. And for our bhakti tradition, all it is much appreciated by our gods. That's a kind of a labor of love. So if you grow these, you can do little bit garland and all in the evenings for the next day's puja, and therefore it is popular. That is one thing. Another barlaria is this one, this Prionitis, that also flowered. That's a herb, Ayurvedic herb. Then this white barlaria cristata. Crinium also is flowering today. So this is the crinium, I think Asiaticum, crinium Asiaticum. And plenty of pollinators are there because this food is there. Where there is food and water, there is life. So in these biodiversity gardens, there is plenty of food for our native all kind of creatures. And numerous flowers can be seen according to the season. And if you have quite a wide variety of plant collection, something or other is always flowering. This Bauhinia tomentos, I think this is called. This also has flowered. And it has got some insect also. Something is happening there. I think some romance is going on between the couple. So that is there. And this one falls off in the evening. It changes color and falls. It's very attractive also. And it's one of the more traditional Bauhinia. In many of the older gardens, the non-cash economy people's gardens, you find these. In the evening itself, it falls off. It's a small shrubby thing, and I think this is the tomentos one only, if I'm not mistaken. Then this one of the taller andrographies, this also has flowered. These are all lesser known plants of a bigger genuses with one or two popular members. Then apart from that, these are all some of the legumes, Ayurvedic herb actually, of these. Then this also is flowering. This one flowers all the time. This Assistaceae gangeticum, one of the best, hardiest herb, native, culinary, everything is there, and hardy also, hardy as hell. So more barlaria, white barlaria cristata. Then this is a highlight of this part of the year. That is this Helicteris. Hundreds and hundreds of flowers are found all over. So who are the pollinators, what happens, all kind of things you can easily observe if there's a biodiversity garden. So I recommend each and every district in the country to have one or even taluk, one biodiversity garden. It doesn't need much resources. Some half acre of wasteland is enough and little bit water. Children can come and see, botany students can see what is the district plants, and those who are a little bit gifted in this plant observation and nature and all, they can come and do photography, and many scientific discoveries also can be done when you have access to the a large amount of biodiversity in a small space. Outside every little town you can do this. Hardly I have spent money except the land, patience and time. Actual financial cost and all is almost, even I think children can be motivated to do free labor here, children, older people and all. So Datura, that pink barley area also is flowered, that one. So only thing is mosquitoes tend to be a bit more in the when there's so much greenery. Shankar Bani. This also attracts a lot of butterflies and all. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೀಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಆಗಿ ಹುಚ್ಚುಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಬುಡಾನೇ ನೋಡಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವೇಸಿವ್ ವೀಡು. ಇದು ಬೆಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಿಶಿನ ಬಣ್ಣ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಥರದ್ದು ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಿಕಾನಿಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅಮೇರಿಕದ್ದು. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆನಂದಪುರ ತೋಟಕ್ಕೂ ಬಂದು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಇದು ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕಳೆ, 1,00,000 ಬೀಜ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಫರ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕಾಲ ಹತ್ರ. ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎತ್ತಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಆ ಟ್ರೈಲೋಬಾ, ಐಪೋಮಿಯಾ ಟ್ರೈಲೋಬಾ ಅಂತ, ಇದೊಂದು ಕಳೆ ಟೈಪ್. ಅದು ಕೀಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬಿಡ ಬಿಡಿ ಸಾಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಡಿಚಿಯಮ್ಮು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 2 ಬಿಡ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಗಿಡಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಗ ಪುನಃ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹಾರ್ಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಫರ್ನ್. ಇದು ಅಂತ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇನು ಮಹಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೂ ಬಿಡ್ತಾಯಿದೆ ಸೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ. ಇದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನ, ಜಾಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಇವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆದವು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಯ್ತು. ಕ್ಲೀರೋಡೆಂಡ್ರಮ್ಮು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನೀಲಿನೂ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಇಂಡಿಗೋ ಫೆರಾ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, 4-5 ವೆರೈಟಿ. ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟಿಸಿಯಾ ಆ ಕಡೆ. ಇದು ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸಿಯಾನೇ, ಇದು ಸಣ್ಣದು. ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ. ಇನ್ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಹೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದೀಗ? ಈ ನಂದಿ ಬಟ್ಲು ವರ್ಷ ಇಡೀ ಹೂ ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ? ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹರ್ಬಲ್ಲು ದೇವ್ರ ಪೂಜೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.